There is something incredible about your subconscious mind, the one that controls the bigger part of your life. But not many people know that despite trying so hard, we may fail not because we cannot be successful, but because we do not want to be successful. Yes, consciously we want success, but subconsciously our behaviors go towards failure. And this audio lecture will show you the simple step by step formula to reprogram your subconscious mind, which will increase the chances of your success and will make you the creator of your destiny. And a bonus hack will be there for you at the end of the lecture. Now listen carefully and let the change begin. The first step is about planting the good seeds. Now, how do we plant good seeds? We are constantly choosing the good and the bad in every day of our lives. How do we do this? Sometimes we are focused on the worry or the negative part or the stress things, the things that give us difficulties in life, and we keep thinking about those things. This means we are focusing on the bad part. And then there comes a few moments in between the bad parts when we feel relaxed, when we feel okay, let me take a break now. And we just focus on the good things, maybe about a song that we love to listen to, or maybe we think about the person we met few years ago. It can be anything. But we need to understand that where are we spending most of our time? On the good things or on the bad things? We need to understand this. If we are spending a lot of time on the bad part, on the bad things in life, and we are expecting to be successful just by thinking about the good things for a few minutes, then it doesn't work. This is why our subconscious is not reprogramming for success. Consciously we want success, but subconsciously the programming is for failure. To change this programming, you need to start planting more good seeds, meaning you have to spend more time on the good part of your life, thinking about what your priorities are, or how can you help a person who needs a help from you, or what you can do to enjoy your life, or just thinking about the most awesome things or the things that will make you happy. You can search it, and it can be a small thing that will bring a smile on your face, and slowly it will become a big thing. I mean, constantly as you begin to choose better things, good part in your life, you will naturally begin to shift there, and that's where the energy shifts. And once this becomes a habit, it will be very natural for your subconscious to change its programming, to change its wiring, and you will be programmed for success. Now the second point is to nourish the seeds. Now see, you sow the seeds, but does that become a plant by itself? No, you have to plant the seeds. You have to give the necessary conditions for growth. You need to give proper lighting. You need to take care of that seedling to turn into a plant. It doesn't happen just by itself. It takes time, right? So just like that, you have to nourish the good part. Now what does this mean? You need to give consistent time. Like you are thinking about the good things, or maybe you are spending a lot of time on the good part today, but then again after 15 days you are going to do the thing or think about the good part. This is not how it works. You need to consistently nourish the good part in life. Even if the negativities come, go, you don't need to resist anything. Let the negativity come, it's okay. I'm not trying to fight anything, but I am going to choose what I need to choose. Meaning, I need to choose the good part among the negativity. Let the negativity stay there. I'll still find a way to think about the priorities and goals and desires of my life that make me the happiest person I can ever be. So start nourishing the seeds that you choose to sow. Start nourishing the good seeds that you plant on a daily basis. Start giving more energy, more time to those seeds, to those desires of yours that's really coming from a place of your soul. And this will definitely set the stage for the subconscious to accept that this is how you want it to function, and then the magic will begin to happen. After a while, you will notice that slowly your mindset is shifting towards the plants that you are sowing, or the nourishing of the plants lead to reprogramming of the subconscious in a better way. Give this a try. Now, the third step is to destroy the bad seeds, which means you stop giving nourishment and care to the bad seeds that you have already sown in the past. So you are giving less time, attention and energy to the negative and worry-based stuff, and giving more time and energy to the good part, to the positive, to the things that really matter to your life, to the things that you really want from inside. Really, that's how you want to live your life. Believe me, that's what you want. In short, if you can spend the majority of your day thinking and taking action towards the good part, your mind, your subconscious mind will definitely begin to function in a different way and on a level that is going to give you the success of your dreams. So these were the 3 tips that will slowly begin to shift all your energy from the negative to the positive on a subconscious level, which is the real game changer, because many of us talk about success on a surface level and repeat the habits of failure on a deeper level. Now you understand the game, right? So now comes the bonus hack, and you can note this down. Conscious seeds plus repetition equals subconscious habits. This means consciously you are choosing the good part on a daily basis. You are consciously caring about the things you desire on a daily basis, and you are repeating this. It is not that it's just a matter of a day or a two. You are constantly doing this. You're constantly reminding yourself that this is what you want, and slowly your actions and your choices will go towards the good part. And this is something that you will begin to repeat again and again and again and again, and this is how it goes straight into your subconscious programming. And this is how you create new subconscious habits that bring the change that you truly desire for the success that you deserve. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. I tried to keep it simple for you guys so that it becomes really experiential. So I want you to give this a try. All the 3 steps are very simple to follow. Anyone can follow this. Just give this a try. Just continue listening to this audio and continue implementing the steps for at least 2 to 3 weeks and watch what happens. Once you get some changes and results, please share with us in the comments and we'll be very happy for you. If you have any questions, topics to cover or doubts, let us know and we will be more than happy to help. And yes, subscribe for more life-changing audio lectures. Let life shine bright. Thank you.